One more here. There we go. That was what we wanted. Now go face up. And then we're going to do an anterior adjustment here. So scoot down just a tiny bit. Perfect. And then big hug. Just like that. Oh, see, Colby's getting big. Okay. And then tuck your chin to your chest for me. Let me get underneath here. There we go. There we go. All right. And last but not least, we'll check the neck. Scoot back a little bit. Thank you. What side did you say your neck was sore on?
The right side.
Let's see. There's a little lack of motion there.
Yes, right around my C6.
Oof, that was good. All right, let's see over here. That was easy. All right, how's that?